Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Luca. These are the three I'm tasting today. They're all different. Oh, look at this guy, he's happy. Pikachu, he's happy. He's happy, having a good time, sleepy. These boxes are good for people that like Pokemon is because it has Pokemon on it. And also, who likes the duck? There's a duck on it. The duck Pokemon. See the duck Pokemon? I think it's a duck. Well, it can control stuff. Yeah. Let's do eeny, meeny, miny, moe, which one's first, okay guys? Okay. I'll spread them up with my eyes closed, then I'll pick one. Tell me which one I go to. That means like and subscribing. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Get a tiger bicycle. This one is it. It's the first one. Let me just get those out of the way. I see chocolate. I say chocolate. See the font? Chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate. Look at this happy Pikachu. I have this Pikachu, but as a stuffy. Well, let me just... Okay, I'll actually show you. Stay right there, okay guys? I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. It's Pikachu. Pika! Identical, see? In the video, in real life, they look identical. It's just the eyes. The eyes are not identical. He's scared, watch me. It's hard. Trust me, it's hard. It's okay. Oh my. I'm gonna destroy it. And let me just boop it. And then it'll magically appear. Boop. I put the box here. So everybody can see it. Okay, it might be like the video with the pandas because these packagings look the same. It's Pikachu on it. It's the cookie with the Pikachu. It looks cute. Now eat it. It's crunchier than the Hello Panda. And let me see if it has chocolate inside. It's liquid chocolate. And let me try other ones. This is the first one. Where they put this in here. If I boop it, it goes in. Boop. Let me just boop it. Boop. Big boop. Boop, 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 boop. I'm booping it in. Boop in. Boop. Boop, boop. Next up, Let's do eeny mimo. Same as last time. Oh, one dropped. Strawberry. Okay. There's a ducky? A ducky cracker. I want to see all the ducky crackers. Be careful using scissors when you're a kid. Tell an adult to help you. Snip. Okay, let's see what's inside. I think I thought we destroyed it. It doesn't matter. Just let me boop it out. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop. It's coming out. I think it needs a little bit more booping like this. Okay, next one we open is like, yeah, it is strawberry. So I found the ducky one straight away. Ducky. It's a ducky. And also there's a Pikachu. Pikachu. We have all the types. And now let me taste one. Tastes like liquid strawberry frosting. Oh, I love it. I do love it. Love it. Okay, let's see the last one now. Okay, just opening it. It's a little hard. It's because this is another type of packaging. Oh, that was easy. Okay, next one. Okay, these are crackers. Well, and this one is... I need scissors. Be careful with scissors, kids. Okay, and then clean. Okay, let me see what flavor this is. Chocolate. I love the chocolate on it. And I love... Yep, I definitely love the bread art too. And when they're just both together, they're just so tasty. I love it. There's more sticks. Well, bye guys. That's all I want to share for you today. I hope you can get these snacks too, because they're very, very good.
Apples are not just fruits. They are also members of the rose family, along with pears, cherries, and strawberries. There are over 7,500 different types of apples in the world. That means you could eat a different kind of apple every day for over 20 years. Apples are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants. Apples float in water because they are 25% air. Wow!
Once upon a time, in a snowy village, there lived a little penguin named Peg. Peg loved playing with his friends. Peg and his penguin friends slide down a hill, laughing and having fun, then jump into the water to catch fish. One day, Peg noticed that his best friend, Joy, was getting lots of attention. Joy performs her new trick, jumping out of the water and spinning in the air. Other penguins cheer and clap. Peg felt a strange, tight feeling in his chest. He didn't like this new feeling at all. Peg waddled over to a quiet spot and sat down, wondering why he felt this way. Just then, his wise old friend, Snowy the polar bear, walked over and sat beside him. Snowy asked, "What's the matter, Peg?" Peg sighed. "I think I'm jealous of Joy." Snowy nodded. Jealousy is a tricky feeling, but it's something we all feel sometimes. Snowy continued, "The important thing is what you do with that feeling." Peg asked, "What should I do?" Snowy smiled and shared some advice. First, take a deep breath. Jealousy can make us feel bad, but breathing helps calm us down. Peg follows Snowy's advice, taking a deep breath, visibly relaxing. Next, remember that Joy is your friend, and she'd be happy if you cheered her on. Lastly, think about something you're good at too. We all have our own special talents. Peg decided to try Snowy's advice and waddled back to his friends. Peg cheered, "Go, Joy!" Joy was so happy. She gave him a big penguin hug. Later, Peg showed off his special dance, and everyone clapped for him too. That night, Peg snuggled into bed, feeling warm and happy. He learned it's okay to feel jealous sometimes, but kindness and remembering your own strengths can make it go away.